Maybe they'll all fit terribly. We'll see. Anyone want matching terry cloth tank tops with me? The universe wants you to have them. Do I need this jumpsuit? Am I doing something here? Or am I delusional? Good morning, everyone. It might not be morning for you, actually, but it's morning for me, and I'm at the thrift store. I simply had a hankering to go thrifting today and wanted you all to join me. I have a pretty specific thrift wish list that I am sort of hunting for today, although some of these are also kind of general. I'm like cool tank tops, cool button-ups, but also certain very specific styles of things, so we will see if I have any luck with this range of wishlist items today, and hopefully we will thrift the Pinterest wardrobe of my dreams. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I actually think we're gonna start in the dresses just because there aren't very many people over there right now. Oh, and here's my outfit of the day. You can't see it. I'll get a better shot in the mirror. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. The fabric feels so good too. I just know I don't wear this color, but this is so cute. Okay, this is incredibly adorable. It's like the little gathered drop waist. It's not really a drop waist. It's a high waist, but then it's dropped. And then with ruffles on the end, puffy sleeves, deep V. I just know polka dots aren't really my thing, but like, I might have to try this on anyway. It's so cute. Look at this tag. How old do you guys think this is? This is kind of an intriguing pattern that's like so weird that it's cool to me. I just don't think I would wear it. Is this supposed to be a costume? Not sure. I kind of love it though. Do I need this jumpsuit? Maybe. Oh my god, and the pants zip off into shorts. Okay, at first the dresses were not seeming that promising, but we have some real potential gems in here, I think. I'm so excited to try these on. Maybe they'll all fit terribly, we'll see. But now, time to look for some fun tank tops. Anyone want matching terry cloth tank tops with me? We could be twinning. One of them's like way tinier though. I have a question. Does anyone else's arms literally get like tired and sore from like shoving racks of clothing? Like these are okay because it's not overstuffed, but my arms are still a little tired from the dresses, I'll be honest. I feel like the thrift store is always full of these little like kind of boho blouses that were very popular in like the 2010s. And I do feel like it's just a matter of time before this comes back around. I think maybe it's already starting. And I'm kind of into it. Kind of like this. I don't know if I love the material, but like I love a flowy, eclectic vibe, you know? I could be convinced to get back on board with those is what I'm saying. I feel like my eternal thrift store dilemma is that everything with a cool pattern or cool design is terrible fabric. But this is kind of cool and it's 100% cotton. I don't know how it'll look on, but we'll try it. Dude, okay, I'm not really into like the polka dot thing that's happening right now, but if you are, please check the thrift store. The thrift store is full of polka dots. They're just sitting there waiting for you. The universe wants you to have them. More polka dots. Dude, when I was a kid, I had a tank top with like this exact pattern on it that I was obsessed with. I literally remember wearing it to preschool. This is promising. Okay, mini juicy couture. Slay. Okay, so I'm really on the hunt for more short sleeve button downs that actually fit me because I have a lot of super oversized ones. But I think at this store, the button downs are kind of mixed in with other like blouses. So they're a little hard to locate, but we're gonna look through. Also, look how precious this is. I don't really wear pink, so I'm gonna have to leave it, but adorable. How cool are these? I wouldn't wear them, but they're so fun. Okay, I have an excess of button-ups and blouses to sort through in the fitting room. And now I'm just gonna look through the skirts and jackets, and then I think it'll be time to make some choices. Okay, this jacket is kind of incredible. It's definitely vintage. I don't usually go for a super sporty vibe, but I love like a vintage retro sporty vibe. It's kind of awesome. It is $10 and it has these stains on it. And I'm like, not sure if I would actually wear it, but I just think it's so cool. Should I try it on? We'll try it anyway. Also, wait. Look at this vest. This is incredible. It's not my size, but so sick. This was here last time I'm here, and I'm gonna be mad if no one buys it because, like, I just can't get over it. If this were in my size, I'd be snatching it up immediately. I definitely do not need any jackets, by the way. I'm just looking through them to look for vests, but the vest supply here is pretty slim, unless you want a long line green army anorak vest of, you know, the 2010s era. Okay, the skirt selection is also pretty minimal, so I'm not even gonna bother to show you that. I think now it's time to try stuff on. Here's the fit check I promised you earlier, and here is all the stuff we're trying on. Oh, this is sick. I was kind of hoping I would try it on and be like, yeah, no, I don't need this. It's not for me. But I kind of love it. Oh, there's big shoulder pads in here though. Wait, I'm way more into this than I thought. It feels sort of like aviator. Okay, starting off strong with something I do not need at all, but now I want it. This is kind of sick, but I feel like it might fit me too well. I know I said all my other ones are too oversized, but I want them a little oversized. And this one feels like maybe too correctly sized. Am I unhinged for that? I tried on this exact same top last time I was here, and the sleeves are too tight for my gigantic muscles. It's not my muscles, it's just too small. Okay, this one I actually don't need to try on because I know I wouldn't wear it and I have no reason to buy this, but something about it just compelled me and I wanted to show you, but it's not something I would ever wear. Yes, I tried it on anyway just because I wanted to see how it looked. Is this cool? Am I doing something here? Or am I delusional? Not sure. I kind of think it looks cool with the ties just hanging too. This guy is cute, but a little too fitted for my liking, and also, again, the polka dots. I'm always looking for sort of like a dainty, frilly, blousey white tank top, but I feel like this isn't a true tank top because of these little like over sleeve thingies, and it's just not like a cut and style that I love. Okay, this one's kind of out of left field. I just saw it and like something drew me in. I was kind of hoping it would be like one of these type of fits, baby doll under the bust, but it's actually kind of above the bust, so it's a no. Okay, this is just a t-shirt I thought was cool. Again, we have sort of the retro sporty vibes that I love. Do I need this? Definitely not. But like, would I wear it? Probably. It's really comfy, even if I just wore it as pajamas. This is something I just wanted to show you because the little strawberries are so cute, and I didn't think I would actually like it on that much, but I kind of do. How much is it? $4? Maybe. It's a maybe. Okay, this I just grabbed because I really liked the pattern on the fabric, but like, this is not a shirt I would wear. Maybe I can use the fabric to make something, but is it worth it to like buy a shirt just to take the fabric and make something else out of it? I don't know. We have a lot of maybes. I'm feeling very uncertain about what I'm actually going to end up taking home with me. Okay, this I just grabbed because I thought it was a beautiful and fabulous blouse. It's like very billowy. I love the high neck with the ruffles and the ruching, the puffy sleeves. This is kind of sick, but I don't think I would really wear this like bright green apple color. The shape of it is really fun though. I'm feeling tempted by everything today. I have no idea what I'm going to end up getting. The shape of this is just so fun. I don't know if I would wear it. Maybe I would. I don't know. I'm torn. This is very fun, but A, it's too tight, and B, I think the fabric would make me too sweaty. Anyway. Okay, this is actually quite cute to me. I feel like maybe it's a little outdated, like it reminds me of stuff I wore in high school a little bit, but there's something so sweet about it to me. Okay, this is actually very cute, but the fit is just not quite right to me. I don't even have big boobs, but the underbust line is still like too high up on my boobs. And also, I don't like how small the armholes are. Okay, finally, we are on to the dresses. This is kind of a winner right off the bat. It's gorgeous. What can I say? Do I think I realistically would wear it though, is the question. And I feel like the answer is no. And I also think it's maybe a little too long on me. Sorry, you can't see that well. Okay, there. This way you can see better. I don't know. It's okay, but it's like almost at my knees. I think that's too long. Okay, this kind of slays, but I kind of don't like how puffy the bust part is. And I also find ruching kind of irritating. I think I would find this like too itchy and overstimulating and annoying. Okay, this dress I didn't think I would get, but I just wanted to try it on. But it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with this silhouette, this shape, the puff, the pleating, the little ruffle at the bottom. Everything about this is incredible to me. The only thing is, the instant I put it on, I am already so hot. It's very silky material. At first I thought it might actually be silk because it feels much nicer than like a synthetic fabric, but I'm so hot that I think it must be synthetic. And again, like, where would I wear this? I'm never gonna wear this in my life. You couldn't even wear it to a wedding because it's white, and I feel like that's the only situation where I would wear it, something that formal. So I do have to leave this behind, but I really hope someone comes and takes this gem. Well, I was saving what I hoped would be the best for last because this pattern is incredible. It's corduroy. The design is so good, but the fit is just not quite right. It's not that it's too big, but it feels like it's meant for someone taller than me. It's too long and the waist hits too... It either needs to be lower or higher. Yeah, I just don't like the fit, which is tragic. Okay, I've tried everything on. I have decisions to be made, and I will see you at home once I've made them. We got the goods. Woo! All right, y'all, we're back home. It's been a couple hours. I redid my braid because it was falling out, and I'm ready to share the haul. Out of everything I tried on, I only ended up getting 2 of the items. A lot of the things I found were like fine, but just not special, or they were special, but not realistic. But I picked 2 of the things that I think are both special and realistic. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna move this mic so I can use my hands. All right, the first thing is this blouse. I just fell in love with the shape of this. It's like so floofy and poofy, and it feels quite almost sculptural in that way. I also think the ruffly like bubble neckline is so good. The fabric feels so good. It feels light, breathable, airy, super comfortable. This also kind of reminded me of Minju Kim, like this specific collection. So that won me over. The only thing I wasn't sure about with this was this shade of green, because it's more of like a pastel or like a bright green apple green than what I usually go for. But I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone a little bit with color. I actually have a whole video themed around that coming up soon. And like, I love to wear green, so I thought branching out in shades of green was a safe way to branch out. The other piece that I decided to pick up might be kind of a wild card, but it was this jacket. I just thought this was so cool. I couldn't leave it behind. And again, it feels special and unique. I think it's from the 80s because it has the care instructions right on this tag instead of on a separate tag. That's usually a sign that something's made in the 80s. Also, just like aesthetically and the shoulder pads. I like the fabric of this, that it's like not shiny and athletic material. I feel like it's rare to find a sporty style like this in a more like traditional feeling fabric. I mean, it's nothing fancy. I think it's like a polyester cotton blend, but I just love this. I thought it was sick. And when I put it on, I was like, I feel so cool in this. This also feels quite realistic to wear for me. I mean, it's just like a casual jacket. Also, I love this color. This like warm red is something I'm always drawn to. I'm just so excited to wear this. I also don't know if I should keep the shoulder pads or not. I am not normally into shoulder pads on me, but I kind of think they are part of what makes the shape of the jacket really cool. So I would love to hear what you all think. Should I take them out or should I leave them? I love that I went into the thrift store with this list and I bought absolutely nothing on the list, but I did buy another poofy blouse and another jacket, as if I needed these at all. I feel like both of these pieces are like aligned with my taste, but also might like evolve my style. And that's something I'm excited about. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite thing was that I showed in the thrift store or that I bought. I would love to hear. If you're into these items and my vision for them and my style in general, you can follow me on Instagram or Pinterest for more inspo. They're linked below. And you could also book my virtual personal styling services through the wardrobe cataloging app Index, which is also linked below. And so is my art Etsy shop. That's not relevant to the video. I just wanted you to know it's there. All right, thanks so much for watching. And I heard if you leave a comment, watch another video, and subscribe, you will find a super special and unique gem that is also realistic and practical to wear the next time you go thrifting.